wow. Shit.
Brandon is having a really hard time in the foot store.
Wow, this is...
Oh my god. It's cold. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you get it open? You cannot distinguish the sidewalk. Are you sure you can make it to work?
Yeah, this... Crazy. Look at this.
It is really insane out there. And there was